jumping because I wanted to be a pilot for the longest time.
And yet you're afraid to go down these stairs.
I love flying, but it's different when you're doing it on your own. I like these landings. Are you taking video?
Yes.
You just said take video.
Yeah, so I can watch you sit on the stairs and go down.
You needed one for me crawling. That was better, I think. Especially when I didn't stand up for the landing.
One more slide.
Oh, god damn.
Oh, goddamn, riding. Mind you, it still hurt itself.
Yeah, when I get down. I don't want to hear none right now. Holy shit. At least I'm not sitting anymore.
Or crawling up them.